how are you? Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm Connie. Have you ever heard of a vision board? Maybe you have, but you're not quite sure how to use it or how it works. Well, today I am going to talk about 5 steps on how to use your vision board to manifest the life you desire. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because the last step is the most important step out of the 5. Give a thumbs up if this is a topic you are interested in. For more videos on intentional living, manifesting, and meditation, be sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget to click that bell so that you get notifications every Thursday and Sunday when I post a new video. Vision boards are a collage of pictures and words that resonate with you, that you envision your future to be. It is the first step of putting your visions that you have in your heart down on paper that tell the universe and yourself, this is the future I want. You can have as many goals and dreams as your heart's desire. I've had several, and a lot of them have come true. I've been an actress, I've traveled in an RV, and I've even traveled around the world. You can check out the link below for my website that shares more stories about my experiences traveling. 1. Put it down on paper. The first step of a vision board is to create your vision. So go to the library, grab some old magazines, or you can even download some off the internet. Anything, any picture or word that really resonates with you. No judgments. Try not to go into it like with a preconceived notion of what you're looking for. Just be open to what resonates with you at that moment. Does it make you feel good? Does it make you feel inspired or excited? And if it does, maybe it's something you never thought of before, cut it out and put it on. 2, make it visible. So put up your vision board once it's complete, somewhere that you will see it every day. So I have mine up on my bathroom mirror because that way I see it in the morning and at night for sure. Also, take a picture of it and put it as your screensaver on your phone, on your laptop. That way you have a constant reminder about the life you are manifesting. Where are you going to put up your vision board once you have it made? Leave a comment below. Maybe you have a good idea that I'll take from you. Step 3. This or even better. Keep that saying in mind. This or better. This or better. Because a lot of times what we have in our own minds, sometimes we put like limits on it, when the universe is always working for our optimal benefit. So maybe you didn't have something in mind, or maybe it shows up in a little bit better way or a different way that you never even thought of. Be open. This or better. A good example is I always wanted to rent an RV for the summer and just travel a few states for about a month with my kids in the middle of summer. It was my dream since I started having a family. Well, what happened was I sold everything, bought an RV, and traveled around the US for 18 months. So this or better. Be open to going bigger than you expected. 4, trust the universe. So many times we try to hold on so tightly to what we want that we're not trusting that the universe already is providing everything and more. It's by controlling what we think we want, or a particular vision or timeline that we have set in our minds, that actually prevents us and puts up energy blocks from allowing the universe to give us our optimal life that we're dreaming of. Be open, because when your hands are clenched around an idea, you're not open to seeing all of the possibilities that you could have. The final step, and this is the most important to manifesting into reality what you have on your vision board. Step 5, practice manifesting. So there's a few things that you need to do in order to actually manifest what's on your vision board. you have to be able to see yourself having what you have on your vision board. You have to be able to feel what it's going to feel like when you have obtained what you have on your vision board. So we're going to do a little visualization practice and manifesting practice to help you really tune in to that feeling and vibration of joy, peace, and excitement that you are going to have with this manifesting. So choose something that you want to manifest off of your vision board. I'll come up with a fictional one. I'll choose a loving couple on a beach. So whatever it is, just take a moment and close your eyes. See the setting that you envision on your vision board. If it's a beach, see the waves lapping up on shore. See yourself walking hand in hand with the person of your dreams. How do you feel? How does walking along this beautiful beach at sunset, hand in hand with the person you love, make you feel? Open your eyes. How do you feel? This is practicing manifesting. I invite you to once a week choose one thing you want to really focus on from your vision board and go through this exercise. Take time to close your eyes and visualize what you want and the feeling you will receive from it. Manifesting is practice like anything else in your life. And a vision board, if you just create a vision board and stow it away somewhere or in a closet, you're not using those law of attraction techniques to help bring your desire into reality. Say it out loud, declare what you want, be open to receiving all the good that the universe has in store for you. Try not to judge or push away any new ideas that come up. Visualize and feel the feeling of what your heart desire is. Share this video with one of your friends who is also interested in making a vision board. Check out these other videos on manifesting and meditation. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Thursday and Sunday.